Planet Resource Recovery offers a complete solution to the devastating oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. Contrary to current methods deployed to disperse the oil, leaving an environmental toxic legacy, Planet's marine solution is focused on recovery of the oil, thus mitigating the damage to shore. This method is available due to the environmental attributes of Planet's flagship product, Petroluxus. The initial step is the deployment of Planet's pagoda over the leaking wellhead to stop the leak. The pagoda is a fixed platform covered with ABS plastic or fiberglass submerged over the entire leak. The pagoda resides off the ocean floor above the leak, allowing for continued access to the wellhead by ROVs for other operations and maintenance. The platform's footprint is large enough to cover the entire current leak or any future leak. Through the use of the pagoda, the leak is contained until the relief wells have been drilled. The oil, as it travels to the surface for collection, will be treated with Petroluxus to prevent plugging and methanol to prevent freezing. No oil escapes to further exacerbate the problem. This solution mitigates any long-term effects or fear of continued leakage. What makes the pagoda function differently than the previously used containment vessel is the pagoda does not encapsulate the wellhead, creating internal pressure from the massive leak. In this way, the pagoda acts as a chimney, drawing the leaking oil to the surface with the assistance of surface pumps. The pagoda's recovery vessel will collect and separate the oil treated by Petroluxus from the seawater using Setco Oilfield Services' proprietary seawater filtration system to filter all oil from the seawater before being returned to the Gulf. Planet's oil recovery vessels are equipped to draw oil-water mixtures aboard for the separation of oil from water utilizing solid filters, Petroluxus, and fine filters rendering recoverable oil and safe contaminant-free seawater. Two large slurry pumps perched on booms draw the oil-water mixture aboard. The slurry pumps have been designed to target surface slicks and oil plumes below the surface. The slurry pump's depths range from the surface to approximately 180 feet below the surface, wherever the oil is concentrated. As the oil-water mixture comes aboard, the fluid passes through two solid filters to remove any large particulate matter from the mixture. On a continuous feed, the fluid mixture is introduced into separation tanks where Petroluxus is introduced to facilitate the oil-water separation. The injection of Petroluxus results in the oil shedding the water and rising to the top where it can be recovered. The recovered oil is then transferred to transport barges for shipment to shore where it can be sold. Filtered clean seawater is discharged back into the Gulf, and the entire process is repeated over and over. Once the oil has been removed from the seawater is further filtered through Setco Oilfield Services' proprietary seawater filtration equipment to remove any remaining microscopic oil molecules. Other seagoing vessels can be equipped with booms and nets to harness and maneuver the oil to form a concentration for the more expedient recovery and remediation. Planet, in conjunction with our venture partners, has also designed methods for soil and sand washing utilizing Petroluxus for the cleanup of beaches and marshes where oil has already come ashore. For more information, visit planetresource.net. That's planetresource.net.